Just a few drops of wax in an eggshell are all you need. Since discovering this method, I use it every evening in my home. I pour coarse salt into a glass container, filling it halfway. Next, I take an eggshell with a small hole at the top and place it in the center of the container. On a heated pan, I melt 2 paraffin candles. Once fully melted, I remove the wicks from the wax. I add a small handful of cloves to the melted wax and carefully pour the mixture into the eggshell, filling it completely. I wrap the candle wick around a stick and insert it into the liquid wax. Then, I leave the whole setup for a few hours to cool. Once the wax hardens, I peel off the eggshell. I place the finished candle back into the container with the salt. Using a measuring cup, I pour my favorite fabric softener around the salt. This way, I create a homemade scented candle. The cloves in the wax repel flies, moths, and spiders. The salt absorbs moisture and carries the scent of the fabric softener. The result is a beautiful decoration that smells even better. My home smells wonderful, and everyone asks for my secret. This beautiful scent fills the entire house. Most people buy scented sachets from stores, but they only last a few days. It's much better to try this trick with a small box. First, find a small plastic container with a lid. Pour 4 tablespoons of rice into the container to enhance the scent. Then add 2½ caps of fabric softener. Mix everything thoroughly to create a uniform mixture. Next, take a heated fork or skewer and poke several holes in the lid. Try to make as many holes as possible. These holes will allow the beautiful scent to escape over a long period. You can place this box anywhere, in your coat or shoe closet to freshen the smell. You can easily make another box for a different room and place it wherever you want. This delightful fragrance will be noticeable throughout your home. Don't throw away eggshells. They're too valuable. You'll be surprised at what they can be used for. Take a pot of water and put the eggshells in. Boil them for a few minutes, then drain the excess water. Next, spread the shells on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven for an hour or 2 at a low temperature. This will perfectly dry them out. Eggshells break down easily. Then prepare a blender. Put the shells in the blender. If dried correctly, the shells should easily break down. Blend them into a powder. Add a spoonful of laundry detergent and blend again. Then add a spoonful of baking soda and blend once more. After proper blending, the mixture should become a fine powder. Transfer it to a container. Now, take your burnt pot and sprinkle the powder onto the burnt areas. Use a wet sponge to scrub. As you'll see, the pot looks like new. Eggshells have become a perfect cleaning agent, so never throw them away again. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is 1 small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. Throw an egg into the toilet. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. If your toilet gets clogged, forget chemical solutions. Here's a better method. Start with 1 large egg and separate the white. The egg white is key because it acts as a natural lubricant, making it easier to clear blockages in your pipes. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap to the egg white. The soap improves the slippery effect and aids in cleaning. Mix thoroughly, then pour the mixture into the clogged toilet. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda helps dissolve grease and other debris causing the blockage. Follow this with about a cup of vinegar. You'll notice a foaming reaction. This chemical process breaks down the buildup. Finally, grab some plastic wrap. Seal it tightly around the toilet bowl, ensuring no air gets underneath. Press down on the plastic wrap a few times to create pressure. This pressure helps push the blockage through the pipes. This simple trick can solve your problem without needing to plunge the toilet. You'll be amazed at how effective this solution is. Your toilet will be unclogged, and unpleasant surprises in the bathroom will be a thing of the past. Light up some cinnamon. It's the secret of millionaires. In their homes, you can feel an extraordinary energy and the scent of wealth. And the method is very simple. Start by preparing bay leaves. They have their characteristic spicy scent. Crush them into a small bowl. They help to get rid of unpleasant odors in the home. Additionally, the scent of bay leaves repels insects. But bay leaves also have a calming effect. They eliminate stress and tension. Sprinkle a few tablespoons of salt on the leaves. Salt is the best product for perfuming interiors. Fragrances made with salt as a base are natural and long-lasting. But that's not all. Add cloves. Their scent improves mood and well-being. Few people know that they add positive energy and motivation. Sprinkle cloves with salt. Salt enhances the aroma of spices. Additionally, use your favorite fabric softener. The scent of bay leaves and cloves, although positively affecting us, does not have as intense a fragrance as fabric softener. Pour the cap and pour it over the salt in the bowl. Take cinnamon sticks and insert them into the container filled with spices and salt. Hotels and spa salons often use this trick to create an exceptionally rich scent and aroma. Light the cinnamon with a lighter or matches. Just light them a little to extract the best from this homemade diffuser. The extraordinary scent and positive energy that the spices used in it provide. Add Coke to eggshells, and you won't have problems anymore. This surprising combination works better than you think. To start, you'll need eggshells from 5 eggs. They can be fresh from a morning omelet. At least you'll use them right away. You'll also need about 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola. It can be the kind that's already flat, the one you were planning to pour out anyway. Pour Coca-Cola over the eggshells. After a moment, transfer them to a blender or some mixer. Turn on the blender, and finally grind the eggshells. It will take a moment. It's important that the eggshells grind well during this time. Pour the mixture of eggshells and Coca-Cola into a tall container. You need to add another ingredient for the mixture to work best. Pour at least 100 milliliters of dishwashing or dishwashing liquid. It can be any kind you use most often. Also, add the same amount of water, about 100 milliliters. Mix everything and pour it into any bottle. A bottle with a spout works best. Close the bottle and keep it in the kitchen by the sink. The liquid has incredible uses. It's exceptionally effective at cleaning the bottom of pans and metal pots. With this product, you can clean all metal surfaces where dirt is hard to remove. It works especially well for scrubbing burnt spots on the bottom of a pot. All the dirt comes off quickly. You can also use it to remove dried food residues from dishes. Don't use it on delicate Teflon and plastic dishes or surfaces. This magical liquid is incredibly helpful for tough stains. It works better than many cleaners. Just use a regular dish sponge and this liquid.